Hello， 大家好。
Hola amigos,
This is Nate.
this is Gustavo.
Today we're going to try the super popular Korean coffee.
It's called Dalgona coffee.
Okay, and let's.
We need 3 very simple ingredients: instant coffee, sugar, milk,
Hot water.
hot water. But we're going to try with our own coffee as well. We're going to make a little experiment to see how it looks.
Okay.
All right, Nene. So tell us, what do you think about this Korean style foamy coffee?
It tastes like ice cream cappuccino.
Ice cream cappuccino?
Yeah.
Let me have a sip.
We didn't put too much sugar in this one, like the ones they did on the videos, because we tried with 1-1-1 with
Equal parts?
powder, sugar and water, and it's too sweet. So when you use the powder, you don't need too much sugar. And now we're going to try to use our own coffee, which
Right.
means we would need more sugar to make it foamy. It's harder to make it foamy.
All right, friends. So let's try it.
Sugar.
Yeah. So this is a coffee reduction.
So it worked, but it's not as creamy as using the instant coffee powder.
Slow cook some
Yeah.
coffee and wait until it reduces a lot and it's like super concentrated.
Yeah. Some other lessons learned is don't mix it in a bowl, because this is what will happen.
Yeah.
You'll make a mess. And what other lessons? You have to mix it when the coffee is still hot.
Definitely. And when you reduce the coffee, you can add the sugar there directly and it'll give it that caramel flavor. We use brown sugar, organic, all organic stuff. This is organic milk. This is excellent stuff. And well, guys, we hope you enjoy this mini tutorial we have for you today.
Thank you.
It's great talking to you guys.